Good afternoon. This is Dave Martin with Clear Process Solutions. We're a digital transformation company based in the Cleveland, Ohio area with operations throughout the United States. Here today to give a quick demo of a manufacturing app that was created to help one of our customers solve a COVID-related safety and training issue. So I had a call with our customer the other night, and he explained that they had 4 new safety requirements that had just been put into place, and that any employees reporting to work in the morning, they needed to ensure that one, their temperature had been taken and they were within the acceptable temperature range, and then 2, that they had passed all their safety courses. And if they had passed all their safety courses, they could proceed to the shop floor and begin working. If they had not passed all the courses, they were going to be diverted over to a training area so that they could quickly take those courses and then return to work. And the challenge was they needed to be able to quickly scan everybody in and have somebody at the check-in point quickly know whether or not they had taken all their courses, and then also register that that check had been done. So we talked about this. One of our developers worked on it overnight and came back with this quick application. I'm going to demonstrate it here with some demo data, not the actual customer's data. So what I have here in front of me is a Tulip player. This app was developed using Tulip, which is a low-code manufacturing app platform, and I'm just gonna run it here. So this would be run by somebody manning the check-in station. So first off, they would have a barcode scanner and they would scan the employee's badge. I'm gonna simulate it here with a keyboard, but we're gonna enter the employee's ID number as it would be scanned. And we're gonna submit this. In this case, the person that's coming in the door is John Smith. And John has taken all 4 courses. Again, demo courses, but social distancing course, a cover your cough, a PPE requirements, and temperature taking course. In this case, John has passed all the requirements, and we're going to say yes, he's allowed in. So we're going to complete that. The next person that comes in the door, we're going to scan her badge or his badge. And in this case, we see that Robert Johnson is missing his temperature taking course. So instead of going to the shop floor, he's going to proceed over to a training area. He's going to quickly get the training course for temperature taking. And he'll come back and go through the checkpoint once he's completed that course. I'll do one more here. In this case, we have Michael Williams has come in, and he is missing a PPE requirements course. So again, he's not allowed entry into the shop, and he's going to go over and take the training course. So that's the basics of the app and how it's set up. I'm going to show you a little bit of information on what's in the background. There's a data set here that has the operators' names, their badge IDs, their test results was provided by another app where we confirmed that their testing was done, and we record whether they were allowed entry or not, and we timestamp that information. So that information, those records, are now available. So this is an example of a manufacturing app that can be developed very quickly to help solve some of the problems that are coming at manufacturers very quickly. So CPS is offering this, and we have other manufacturing related apps that we're offering to customers and partners to help solve some of their COVID related issues that they're dealing with right at the moment. Please reach out to me with any questions. My email and my phone number are in the attached email, and we'd be happy to help you solve your challenges during these times. Thanks.